To keep up with new MicroStation features and instructional videos, click the subscribe button today.
In this demo, we will be looking at the Köhlbrand Bridge in Hamburg. This code was generated by the Python assistant using a natural language prompt. What this code does is place piers under the road that are accurately aligned with the coordinate system. We can even change the pier spacing and vertical offset, among other things. We can see here that the piers are parametric, meaning that as we adjust the path of the road, they will automatically update their location while maintaining any constraints or properties. Using the same tool, we were able to add parametric barriers, as well as a roadway to the design, as you can see here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the MicroStation channel to keep up with news and demos.